all to the Arnoldian Talk Show. We are having one special guest with us, Tasmia Mansoori.
A very enthusiastic morning, full of enthusiasm to one and all present here. I am Tasmia Mansoori of class 10A. First of all, I would like to thank our English teacher, Miss Urvi Kothari, to give us this opportunity to present a talk show based on the topic Manipur, art, culture and heritage.
Thank you, Tasmia, for this wonderful introduction. So now we are having some of our genius candidates whom we will discuss and talk about the historic place Manipur. It's time to call our first as well as our second candidate, Mr. Sujal Ablani and Ms. Nishala Dharma. Hello, Mr.
Hi.
So, how are you?
We are fine today.
I'm also. So, I want to know how much you know about Manipur.
I know about Manipur like their handicrafts.
Basically, we know about their art.
Oh, great. So, we will talk later about this topic as I want to invite another candidates, Tasmia, Yashank, Kanak and Priya. Everyone, what's about you all?
Hello, Ayan. We are all good. I think you all also good, right?
I am fine. Guys, join the table please. Let us continue our previous point with Sujan and Nishala. So, what do you know about Manipur's art?
Dance form of Manipur. Dance is an integral part of the culture which defines the lyrical beauty and rhythm. The dance form which I like the most is Ras Leela. Ras Leela, which is the love story of Radha Krishna, is the most famous dance form. It is found at the temple of Sri Sri Govindji in Imphal.
Even I like the handicraft of Manipur. That is so amazing. Their pottery is so old age and they are so
Would you
famous.
like to tell more about Manipur's dance form?
Yes, Pumcholam dance is performed when the person dancing is trying to call upon the deity. It is the soul of Manipur Sanskritana.
Continuously, we are talking about dance. How can you forget music? Their music is awesome. I really like it. Without music, dance is nothing of them. And the form of music is very awesome.
Now it's time to know about Manipur's culture from Priya and Kanak.
Here are a few things that entire Manipur culture. Manipur culture includes festivals and cuisine. Priya, I am forgetting something?
Yes, traditional dresses too.
Yeah.
And Fane are the most traditional Manipuri dresses for women. And the white turban called pagdi is the most common among men. When the kings ruled the land, Kham and Chadpa were gifted to poets and geniuses.
Nowadays, with modernization taking over traditional culture, the people wearing the traditional dresses only during festivals or rituals.
What about festivals?
There are many festivals of Manipur. Some of them are Illai Haroba. The festival is celebrating in the name of the deity called Umang Lai, which takes place in May. Kut festival is celebrated by the Kuki Chin Mizo group of Manipur. It takes place on 1st November in honor of the abundant harvest. Priya, can you join one more?
Yeah, sure. Gang Gai is a festival lasting 5 days. It starts with the omen taking ceremony, which is later continued with dance and feast. Celebrating the festival, cuisine play a major role in it. Cuisine include rice is the staple diet of Manipuris. Kabuk is the specialty where the rice is fried with lots of vegetables. Manipuris love nagri, which is a type of fermented fish and carries a distinct smell.
Iroba is a fermented delicacy which is combination of fish, vegetable and
Listening
bamboo.
you all, I am very excited to visit Manipur. So I want Yashank and Tasmia to tell me about heritage of Manipur.
Yes, I am. Why not? Nested in the slope of the south-flowing sub-Himalayan range in the northeast of India. Manipur is a beautiful land where motherland is extra generous in her bounty.
Explored land promises to be one of the best tourist destination in India.
Endless enjoyment and
What about famous places?
The state has a number of tourist attractions that are worth visiting when holidaying in Manipur. Some of them include the Sri Govindji Temple.
It is considered to be a sacred place of Hindu.
Thank you all of you for giving your wonderful and a precious time to come in our Anodian talk show. I wish that you have a wonderful future and a journey ahead.
Thank you.